For all my brothers soldiers, so remember it so. Niggas bitch, put your hands up. They fuck the things, forget the system and the handcuffs. Just remember how I live, don't be regret. I only have one life to give. To the struggle, to my fam and my unborn kids. Yeah. And if I die, just remember how I live, don't be regret. I only have one life to give. To hip hop, to the fam and my unborn kids. Yeah. No time to play games, man, my life is real. Got stress, got bills, can't afford to chill. Honestly, I'm not out here to make a meal. Wanna eat a couple of meals, I think I know frills. Beefing every meal's like hamburger hill. 41 shots, pigs when my blood is spilled. We live my life every day to lose to kill. That's mistress ain't happy till the casket's filled. Settled in the room on the 22, I popped after. Bigger rejected at my last job interview. Bob in the photo ain't much, but it's just enough to make it through to that rap money too. So what can I do but bring heat when the world gets low? There is like tools to save my soul, so remember how I live, don't be regret. I only have one life to give. To the struggle, to my fam and my unborn kids. And if I die, just remember how I live, don't be regret. I only have one life to give. To the struggle, to the fam and my unborn kids. Alright, I'm gonna need y'all help on this right here. Check. Everybody, come on. Everybody say yeah.
Yeah.
Hands in the air. And if you feel that what you hear me say, that's that hit right there.
Yes, that hit right there.
A little louder.
That's that hit right there.
A lot louder.
Yes, that hit right there.
One more time.
Hit right there.
And if I die, just remember how I live. Don't be regret. I only have one life to give. To the struggle, to my fam and my unborn kids.
Like to live.
And if I die, just remember how I live. Don't be regret. I only have one life to give. To hip hop, to the fam and my unborn kids. I wanna be with y'all forever.